Straight down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong with them. Case is split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Okay, so I just double checked. So number one is this one, the hex here with an eye lock nut. And I'll just need the 4mm to go on this one. And if you can just hold that back. 5mm. So 10mm on the nut, 5mm on the hex, and I'm just going to bring them in till they just sort of nip, and then go around to do everything else. Number 2 is at the back, and that was a stud, 10mm. If I turn that, you might be able to see a little bit more. Two. Number 3 is at the front, down the bottom. Can you just screw that on there, please? Number 4. Okay, that's a long one that goes through here down the bottom. So there'll be a nut needed for the back. So if you can put the socket on this one. Yep. 10mm on both sides. Okay, next one's number 5. These are up the head bolts, so back to the number 5 is the front one. Yep. Just put the try the long extension. Just push the button on the back. Yep.
Oh, yeah.
You can see the ooze coming out. So that was number 5. Number 6 is the one at the back doing the same. Okay. Okay, next one is 7. This is the lower one behind the cylinder. This is the one when I pulled it apart. It had 2 copper washers. It says to replace the copper washers with 2 new ones. And this is the only one, and number 4, bolt number 4, I think also had a copper washer for some reason. So this is number 7 with a washer on both ends and brand new copper washers. Not a lot of room for that. That won't go, will it? What I might do, I'm just thinking, was this the other way around? Because I think there's more room on my side.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yep.
Might go undo it.
I think there was one I used a spanner for the same reason. When I took it apart, there's not enough clearance around to put a socket underneath for this one.
A merino morning, just the sky and the blue.
7, so number 8 is
Waiting for the sign. Needle on the speedo is right in line. One heavy kick and the silence is gone. A waking giant at the break of the dawn. It's not a scream, it's a low, steady drum. 500 cc's getting ready to run. And it goes dug, dug, dug down the road, carrying the weight of a rider's load. Up through the twisting Adelaide pine.
number 9.
Leaving the city
It's a long one.
and the worry behind.
Oh, that's it. Very important from here.
Fades out when the engine starts. Just the rhythm of the road and an iron heart.
This one's 10mm both ends with the socket.
Second gear winding through the corkscrew bends.
And number
With
10
great bitumen twists and ascends.
is the front one.
Gum trees blurring like a ghost on the right. Lean into the corner, hold the line tight. There's a vibration rising up through the steel. A living connection that you only can feel. No room for the past, no fear of the grave. Just the smell of the damper
Number
and the
11.
warmth of the day.
There's a short one up the top. This is one that I put in incorrect before.
They say peace is a quiet place, stillness and sleep. But mine's in the torque, pulling steady and deep. Every pop of the
That is with the
exhaust is a
5 mil
breath I exhale, chasing the white line
hex head again.
the rail. It's a moving meditation, a mechanical prayer, stripping the soul all the way down to bed.
11, number 12 is just a nut on the back side. And spins around.
And it goes dug, dug, dug.
I've made a mistake again, so that's not number 12, not all the way through.
Past the chain of ponds where the water shines, leaving the city and my worries behind. Yeah, the world fades out when the engine starts. Just the rhythm of the road and an iron heart.
Okay,
Pulling into lobby fail, kill switch down.
number 13.
Louder than the noise of the town. The ticking of the metal as it starts to cool.
Just spins back on there.
Man, there's nothing like the
This is the stud that I put in before. That I had the long stud instead of the short stud.
school muse.
Number 13. Is that why I got it wrong? Number 14. Goes all the way through. Is your nut, is that screwing in on the nut?
Mm.
It is. Okay, how much is there thread sticking out past the head?
No.
No, it's like this nut went in and that nut didn't. So,
Do you want me to,
yep, just hold it.
you want to undo or?
Oh yeah, I need to undo it and then
Okay.
so your sides come off. Yep. Just push it through my side.
No, I'll come along.
Okay.
Is it meant to sit?
Yes, but it's the nut should be flush with the end. So
Oh, it's supposed to be.
okay, if you put the nut on your end, and then I'll get you to tighten your end up, and I'll just see what happens to this end with a spanner.
You want it flush with it?
Yes. So the head. See that one sticks out,
Yes.
and that one's. I'd like it right, because the nylon's right at the end, so the head's got to be.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Refresh.
Whereabouts is it? Okay. Okay. So now we're up to 15 and 16. They're both on the other side. $15 is the lower one. Oh, can you just, is there something on there turning, or is that? Oh no, that's just the stud, so that's right. And 16, this should be the lucky last.